So this is the Atwood's machine lab, and to start off with here, we have a string going through the pulley, and right now each side has 100 grams, and it asks the student to collect data with 100 grams on each side. I'll just show that to you. I'm not going to collect that data. So what they would do is just have the two masses side by side, push down on one, actually with a little bit more force than that, and then they're going to collect the data, and they'll see that acceleration is 0. Now for part 1 of this lab, what they're going to do is they're going to keep the total mass the same. We're not going to take mass from the outside and add it. We're just going to keep the total mass the same, but we're going to move 5 grams at a time over to the other side. Now, because of the amount of weight we have, we're going to move 5 grams over, 5 grams over. Then we have to move another 5 grams over, but we'll have to use a 20-gram mass, move it over, and then move 15 grams back. So that's an additional 5 grams on the other side. So we'll just have to work with it that way. But I'm going to take 5 grams, move it over, okay, and then the way this works best is if they're side by side when you let it go. Now just to let you know, for part 2, we do something similar, but we're not going to keep the mass of the system the same. What we do is we keep the mass difference the same. So we'll continually add mass to the system, but keep the difference in mass of 10 grams the same. And then we can analyze that motion as well and come up with some conclusions. But we'll just do one trial just so we can see it here. You want to catch it before it goes down. And then what will happen is you'll just keep going through that process. So we're good. And actually, I think after